Today, I'll show you the assemble process of micropipette and also the way we could clean, maintain and service our micropipette for best service. So, in this situation, I'm dropping some oil with the help of a dropper to reduce the fraction problem. Just watching everything is okay or not. Now here is the main part. Now adding some glitch well on vacuum chamber. Though vacuum chamber is the main part, so I have to maintain that part very well and the best way I could. Okay, my welding part is completed. Now let's assemble all the parts. With the help of a pipette wrench, before attaching, just make sure all the parts are perfectly done. All the cleaning process, all the maintaining process. Do not add too much oil or too much glue on that process.